What I'm showing you here would be time saved per day and the total per year. Now, this graphic would represent approximately 10 builds a day. So we could say a quarter of an hour, 15 minutes per build per person. Now, this is based on one person running one test. And as far as I know, that's the capability of a single user if you were to manually regress or do anything that way. So this scales much more, like the 2 mobile tests that we showed you. If you were to give that to a QA to run through, they would have to have the manual device, they would have to go through and do all of those operations. So you're losing a lot because they would be dependent on 2 technologies. And what I've seen to get around efficiencies like this that you get with automation is cutting corners, doing, oh, well, I tested it on a desktop resized to the correct sizing. That doesn't exercise the OS or the actual end user again. That's why we chose to show you mobile devices. That's something you could really see out there. It's something you probably have in your pocket right now that you probably spend more time with that than you do spouses, friends, anything else. I mean, that's the reality. That's where the business is. Now, I know I love to talk about mobile, but these same exact principles, you could apply it to enterprise applications or anything else that you can dream of. There's no real limitation as far as how this principle can be applied. And I didn't put a dollar figure up there because, there is a salary range, so you could take your lowest paid employee and do a calculation simply based off of time.